All right, so today we're going to explain the server side and client side scripting and their fundamentals. Okay, using XAMPP. So, karon gamitin sa ato ang XAMPP, XAMPP control panel. So, turn on. Then we are created file named server side lab, which will do our activity. No? And tapos, uh, actually we edited this. We we are going to put this source code to our index.php, which is in our server side lab uh, file. Okay, so let's see what will be the output. So ang output ani is welcome to my first PHP script. So what happens here is it it uh, it just prints it just let the HTML page print the welcome to my first PHP script. So kung sa Java pa, mura na siya system.out.println. So para ma-print ni, it's basically comes from this print message, which is welcome to my first PHP script. It's that simple. So, ang sunod is atong pulihan ni siya. Okay, so observe how PHP executed their server. Ano HTML position the first. Ini siya, man siyang output. No? Okay, so is atong alisdan ni siya, try to alisdan og mga variables, which is kining name, age, o kung student ba. No? Ato na siyang i-try print. And the output will be Maria 20. And yes, so it happened because we simply declared the name, age, student as Maria and 20, age 20 and true. So I printed the H1 is information of name, which is kitawag na to siya ang tawag na to ang name variable, which is Maria, then age 20 og ang student, which is naka-boolean ni siya, actually boolean ni siya, true or false. So kung true siya, yes. Kung false ni siya, no. No. Kung false ni siya is no na siya. So it's just simple code guys kung para mapakita dire kung kung saan pag-display sa dire sa ato ang web page using this script. By the way, this is not JavaScript, this is PHP. So next is we're going to try this client side and server side. Okay, turo na siyang iparaan. So this message comes from the server. So ganun nga naman ang hitabo. So it is because first of all, nag-print the read message. Okay. Ay, nag-quanta the read message na initiated the read message, which is this message comes from the server, which is from PHP. No? So bali, mo ni siya ang ato ang main server jud. And nag-initiated the read HTML page, which is ang client and server demo. So inside this natay JavaScript, no? I mean nag-declare pala ta diri og P, no, which is means we initiated a variable ID to which is display, and then inside this natay JavaScript natong gisulod, which is let message from server PHP echo message. So kining a line guys, kining a line, it's uh called simply called the message from the PHP. So mura na siya kanang i-deliver, ipahagi sa clients from the server. So mo na siya this message from the server. So i-call siya ni script, which is ang kini echo message. And then the next is yung document get elementary is mo na siya ang pag-display sa atong text, okay, from the server, which is from the server. So mo nung kung para ni siya ang kini siya na message, it comes from the client side, yes, and not from the server. I mean the server, di ka siya sa server pinakauna, which is ang kini PHP, and modify siya diri sa script, which is ang client. So bali mo na siya tong server, and then mo na siya ang client. So meaning kumbaga iguro niya gi-deliver ang message padulong sa ato ang HTML page, which is kining this message from the server. So kining nga message, it is already updated by our script, and it is displayed into our HTML page. Okay, so okay, we have some few questions, guys, which is what is the key difference between client-side and server-side scripting? Okay, so the difference here is um, when doing server-side scripting, guys, it allows to run the server first. It allows to run the server first, which is this. It runs the server before displaying into this page. Okay. So maguna siya og run. Maguna siya og run bago na display diri sa ato ang web page. And sa ato ang client side server, client side scripting, is maguna siya load ang page bago niya i-run ang specific na script, no? Isang client script na to. So that is basically the difference, guys. So next is why is PHP executed for JavaScript in the example. So um, why is the PHP executed before the JavaScript? So nauna ang PHP guys kay mao na siya ang nag-print sa ato ang diri to ang web page. Okay? So without a server coming from the PH, without server which is for PHP, we cannot run a client test. No, so we cannot display on this web page, this specific web page. Okay, so it's basically sends all the results to this browser. Okay, so umano siya guys, because JavaScript guys, it runs only, o i-run lang niya after na mag-load ng pinilan itong page. Guys, is what would happen if Apache PHP is returned. So ang mahitabo niya guys is dili siya mo run. Okay, dili siya mo run. It is because no server is being detected. Muna siya ang ma-display kung dili wala nakaon ang atong server with is kining Apache, no? So one of the main reason is that um, my browser usually supports only HTML, HTML, JavaScript, or and CSS. So, okay, through PHP, it is not directly readable by our browser. Okay, so that's it for today, guys, and I hope you learned a lot. Thank you for watching.